Alright, hello everybody. Today I'm gonna be giving you an inside look into my process of coding. I'm working on something called Code Diary, which is something that I've been assigned to work on by my brother. So let's jump right in. So bring up the little viewer. Right. Okay, let's try this out. Oopsie, wrong directory. Okay, I'm gonna have to do some if let stuff here. If let action add title content equals action. How about that? Let's see here. Okay, and let's just prefix these real quick for now. Title content. Is this good? Let's see. Okay, it's not complaining. Okay. I think we're gonna have to make action public. That's what I think the bug is here. Okay. Pub. The different actions a user can take. Let's see if that works. Now, what's the bug here? You know what? Let me set up bacon. Control P R bacon. CD code diary bacon. Let's try that out. Okay, I've still got some issues. Pub. Let's try this out. Alright, there's no bugs, and there's no errors. It doesn't necessarily mean there's no bugs. Okay, perfect. Now let's just see if this works for all of them. I'm actually going to, right now, make the font size a little smaller so I can get more text for my buck, you know? Fit more of it on the screen. Okay, that's a bit better. Okay, if let action delete Let's probably just really quickly cargo FMT. Nope, okay. Has to be correct syntax highlighting. Delete index is index equals action. Print line delete was selected. Okay. And let's do that one more time. Action view index equals action. Print line view was selected. Perfect. Oh. And here's the first issue we're running into. Okay. I see the issue. Okay. Let's real quickly derive clone on that, as well as on this. Still an issue? Okay, I guess I'll just borrow it. Borrow, borrow, borrow. How does that look? Perfect. Okay, so first I'm going to run without any arguments. Okay, what do you want to do? I'll select delete. Delete was selected. Okay, then I'll do delete manually. Okay, perfect. So far working. So now I can remove these lines. And I'm going to remove the underscore here. And in fact, I can just do shorthand structs here. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. So let title equals match title. Okay. Some title. And by the way, I'm gonna kind of take these out into their own functions. Some title, prompt title, prompt for title, fine. And that's actually wrong. None. What am I talking about? Oh my god. Okay, that's better. Okay, and then none prompt title 4. Okay, that looks to be good. Let's just add the semicolons there. And let content equals match content. Some content, none prompt for content. That's good. Okay, now let's just debug these. Debug print them. dbg title content. And now we're getting a bit of a bug. So let's see what that's about. Okay, so the first mistake I've made here, that's better. Forgot to make an arrow. Okay. Yeah, okay, I just remembered. So the title is special because it's supposed to be an option, so I can't really be using this type of thing. So the content works, I believe. Expected answering. Okay, that's not a big issue. Oh no. Uh-oh. Come on. Really? I'll have to be explicit. Okay, then to owned. This is my least favorite part of Rust, to be honest here. Okay. That actually just worked. That's actually kind of nice. Okay. Okay, so okay, if action dot okay, so I'm gonna need to get this into a variable. Okay, const added from args bool equals action equals okay args dot what dot action. Come on, you've got to help me here. Args. No, I don't get what the issue is. I'm defining it over there, right there. Args dot action equals add action add args dot what? Hmm. Okay, let's think here now. Okay, maybe let's do a if args dot action. Okay, I've got to unwrap it first. Okay, so let's do an if let args dot, okay, if let action add, and we can pattern match add okay, this is difficult. Okay, if let action add Googling this. Okay. Alright, okay. Add title content. This is actually real, okay. Equals args. Okay, then const added from args equals content dot is sum. Let's see that. Okay. Bool. Content is option string. Let's check that out real quick. Yep. Content option string. So this should work actually. And then else const added from, and I probably will not be able to make this a constant. Equals false. Whoopsie. And I can probably refactor this to be a bit better. Whoopsie, okay. Yep, I can't use it, so let and the name is inappropriate as well. Okay, so now guys, I have a bit of a trick up my sleeve here, okay? Now it's time for the font action. if let equals args dot action. Boom. Perfect. Dot action. The missing piece. Okay. And still wrong, but closer to being correct. If let sum okay, and let's just real quickly borrow this is the cool part. Yep, and false. And I can actually refactor this further. Cool. So let's just comment that out, leave that up there, because I'm going to have to see it. And let's actually do let added from args equals, make sure it's strongly typed, equals match and args dot action. Okay, first case. Some action add title content. Okay, then it would be content dot is sum returns bool. Perfect. Okay, otherwise false. Okay, so if added from args, if added from args, okay, whoopsie. I think I wanted to do a match. Let title, which is always option string, made a mistake there. Option string equals match Okay. Some title. Some title. None. Prompt for title. Okay. Some title dot to owned. Okay. And now let's just do debug print at the end. We do that. Okay, perfect. So add, let's just do help actually. Help. Add. Okay, so I'm going to provide the title, hello world, and the content. This is the content. Okay, so we see an issue. Okay, so let title is match item from args. True. Then, okay, that's another match, isn't it? Yeah, so that, okay. Perfect. Okay, args dot title. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Please just work. Okay, let's try that out again. Title. Okay, sounds about right. And if I leave out the title, none. Okay, perfect. And now let's say I don't leave in anything. Hopefully I'll be prompted. And I'll write my diary entry. Hello. Perfect. The system works as expected, so I can remove my debug call. Okay, so now let entry equals. Okay, so first I have to create the timestamp first. Let timestamp equals timestamp new. Okay, and let entry equal diary entry new. Actually, don't need this part. Okay. Diary entry new at title content. Content is diary entry new. Let's check this function if it takes a reference. Okay, now I'm confused. So diary entry new does not work. Diary entry. I might have to revise diary entry new. I don't want to do that. I'm going to create a new one. Okay, diary entry.rs. Let's create a new. From str and option. This is not the most elegant solution, by the way. Title, option, string. Maybe I can do an and option string if I want to. And then content and a str. Okay. A. Okay, that sounds pretty good. We're gonna have to put this on separate lines though. Okay. So title, content, date. Okay, so let date equals timestamp. Which is the issue? Content? Okay. To string. Just try out. Okay, wrong one. Yeah, no. Right one. To string. And we're gonna have to not do the shorthand initializer on that one. Ugh. No shorthand initializers for me. To Oned. Okay, now just please work. Fine, I'll give you documentation. Takes in option and string. Okay, now that's better from string and option. Okay, now let's go back to main. Now what is this? Alright, I guess that's for another time. I have no idea what those files are. Diary entry from str and option. And title and content. Let's try that out. Jeez, there we go. Okay, that's the implementation for add in there. So let's just SQLite 3 and see how the database is doing. Open users ben code diary.db. Select all from entry. Okay. And delete all from entries. Now, what could possibly be the issue? Oh, drop table entries. How about that? Drop table entries. Okay, exit. Bye. Jesus. Let me out of here. Okay. So let's just do a to do. Okay. So cargo run add. So first we're just gonna do basic add. Please enter a title. Hello, dude. Okay, now let's SQLite. Work smarter, not harder. Perfect. Okay. So it seems to have stored it correctly. Now I want to see what the storage looks like. You know what? I'm gonna split this pane. And this time I'm gonna enter a semicolon. What? Okay, now it's getting strange. Is it not permanent? Oh. What's the issue? Nope, not to be found. Okay. I have to check some of these backend functions I called, that's for sure. Um, okay, let's see if we can find it anywhere else. Okay, you know what? Maybe that was a mistake. Please enter a title. Poop. Let's see how that works. Okay, this is serious. What's going on? Okay, maybe the connection is not updated. I doubt it. Oh, it wasn't updated. Okay. Don't doubt it. I mean, don't be not whatever for it. Okay. So we know that that works. Now let's implement the viewing functionality. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with how far we've gotten right now today. But let's do delete actually, because that's what. Yeah, I think view would be more useful to implement though, because I don't like using the SQL browser this much. You know, it's kind of inconvenient. Okay, so option U64. Okay. Let index equal match index. Dot. Okay, so sum index to index. Okay. U64. None to prompt for viewing. Okay, and let diary entries equal get entries. Get entries returns back. Okay, if entries dot length equals 0, fail. Can I use that? Okay. Fail. I don't want to fail. That sounds that would be I would print an error message, and this is really an error message. I would do print line. You have no entries. Silly. Okay. And then std process exit. Okay, what should I exit with? 0 or 1? Let's do a random number. Random. Okay, wait. Pick random. Now, I want to choose the range. Pick random number between... Okay, you know what? It was 1, so let's just do that. Okay. Prompt for viewing. Let's do entries. And this is supposed to be a reference. Yes, okay. So let's just put that in. And trailing comma. And let's just do .2 Now the question is, can I use an asterisk? I can, alright. And then print line entries index. Let's see if that works. Yep, let's see if that works. Okay. Let's try this out. Cargo run view. Okay, there's the issue. I want to just show. Okay, and if I do that. Okay, I want to just show the title. So let's go to diary. Yeah, and I am going to clean up those files over here. This. These are junk. So I will clean them up at one point. Pub FN summarize. Okay. At self to string. Okay, let's see if this works. I want it to be nice and simple, you know? Format. Okay, wait. Let title equal match title. Sum title string from okay, wait. Title.toString. Let's do that. Dot into. None string from title. Okay. Self.title. Whoopsie. And just explicitly type this real quick. Yeah, I'm getting there. I'm getting there. Okay. And then format title. And let's make sure to put that in quotes. I mean, what are we doing here? Okay. What is the issue? That to string, that into. I don't get it. Okay, that's better. Summarize. Let's. Okay, let's go back to main. Actually, no, we're going to front end. So. Dot iter. Whoopsie. Dot map. X dot summarize, and then dot map. Okay, and then dot collect vec string. Let's try that out. Did not work. Okay, that's annoying. Did I not save the file? I believe I didn't save the file. Okay, now I'm confused here. So, what's happening? Okay. Let Okay, let's see if this works. Is it even doing anything? Okay, let's try this out. Summarized options. Okay, at this point, I'm actually officially angry right now. Like, work, please. Like, .iter, .map. How is this not working? Am I really, what's going on? Okay, maybe I have to look at the macro. I don't think so. Prompt. It might be the .2 string, the .2 string here that's having the issue. Nope, it's not. How is this possible? Okay. Okay, maybe it's a syntax error that's preventing this from compiling somehow. Like maybe it's ignoring it because it hasn't. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Cargo check maybe? Check. Nope. No warnings. Okay, now I'm actually a bit peeved. Get entries. Yeah, I'm prompting for viewing. I don't get how this is. You know what? Maybe I need to reorient this a little bit. Okay, now it's actually really annoying. Okay. Yank. I'm saying yank. Yank it. Put. Yank and put. Okay. And we're just gonna have to replace this with right. How about that? Okay, let's bring this over here. Okay. Now, what are you talking about? Fine. That seems like some strange code it wants me to write. Alright. Listen, if the Rust compiler tells me to do it, I'll do it. Just don't expect me to not be confused. Okay. Oh, I see the issue now. Okay. Okay, and I had some sort of bug here, I guess. No, I didn't. What are you talking about? Oh, okay. Whoopsie. Fine, fine, fine. Just get this over with already. Okay, so now the function show detailed view. Detailed view. And it would be useful to have that code that I had over there, actually. Okay, let me copy this. Yank. Okay, now undo. Okay, so now let's paste this in here. And put. Okay, perfect. And now I'm going to take this stuff Hmm? Okay, dude. Oh my god. Okay, gotten this into this function. Now let's just get over here. And let's yank that out of there. And put. Okay, finally. Whew, that was annoying. Who knew that I could struggle so much with copying and pasting? How isn't this working? Oh, okay, right. F. And, okay. For the second time, we've converted this function. Okay. And now everything should actually work. Wait, I need to rename that function. Detail. And you know what? I'm not going to document this because I'm lazy. Again. And finally, it's time. Actually, it's not the 100% last thing, but pretty close. In terms of fixing this bug with the viewing. Okay. Dot show detail. Let's see here. Dot show detail. Okay, that works with that. And now all we have to do is just go to the front end and oh, actually, I don't have anything to work on. Alright, guys, we just implemented the add and view function. That is significant work. But before we do the final part of the puzzle, I'm going to have to remove these silly files. So let's get rid of that. Yep. Yes. Let's get rid of this. Yes. Let's get rid of this. Backend, diagram entry, frontend, main, and timestamps. Perfect. Okay. So that is it. Let's just close all this stuff. Right. Alright, bye guys.